Today is December 2nd, 2018. I want to do a little supplemental analysis and talk about whether Elliott Wave is helpful or not. First thing I want to do is give my kudos to Ian Time. He has a service called Raj Time means Cycles. He called last week's low to the day. He did it in advance and he gave his reasons for the call. I go to a lot of chat rooms and such things, and invariably, after a move like this, I see all kinds of posts about people who tell me after the fact that they called it. Well, I'm very happy for their success, and my only request is if they're good enough to make these calls and be confident that they tell us ahead of time and tell us the reasons why. I never see these people make calls in advance. I never see them post something after the fact saying they got it wrong. But if they know something I don't know, I'm willing to learn from them. I enjoy learning from other traders. We're all here to learn from you. Anyway, let's talk about Elliott Wave. I thought for a number of reasons having nothing to do with Elliott Wave that was the end of the move. We have wide swings that confirmed my opinion because wide swings are typical of market highs. If that was right, what I expected would be for us to cut out the low here, take out the low here, and that didn't happen. And stopping just short is characteristic of a wave 2, and advancing like this is characteristic of a wave 3. So it's possible that call for the top was wrong. Now, here's what I said. This was my preferred count. If there's a preferred count, it implies there's some other count, which isn't my first choice. The real question is this the end of wave 5 or just wave 1 of 5? I mean, we have rallied right up to this 200-a-day moving average. What if we stop here? Well, I think up to wave 4, the count's quite clear. How you count this after that, I think you can count it any number of ways. You still can count it as a wave 5. I can't say it's my favorite anymore, but I might change my mind. There are different ways to count it. So if you can't be positive if this is wave 5 or just wave 1 of 5, what good is it? Well, it's good in that you know either the up move ended or you're in the last wave. And it also gets you prepared in case we gap down smartly when the market reopens Monday. I mean, this is a powerful move. It's a rally all day on a Friday. Almost always those continue. Well, that's my favorite count now, but what if I'm wrong? What if we don't continue? What if we drop down smartly right from the open? Well, in that case, that would be wave 5. This would be an ABC for W, and this rally here would be X. If we drop smartly from the open, and if Y is the same size as the W, to get another ABC down, it would stop right around 2450 if Y were equal to W. So if we gap down, which I'm not predicting, it at least gives you a target to look for. And if we gap down smartly, then the whole decline would be a clear Fibonacci relative of this whole advance we had since last spring. This would be 78.6 of the decline. So if we gap down, that would be your target, and it would explain why we didn't drop as quickly as I wanted, and it would make me think again that this is the end of the up move. So it doesn't tell you which of these counts is right, but at least it lets you know you're in the last wave up or have completed it. And if we gap down, it gives you something to look for. Anyway, that's the end of the supplemental analysis for today.